at the new Ritz building in downtown Sarasota. We're going to walk you through a little bit of the protection protocol that we go through for each project. The very first thing we do as we walk in is protect the floors. We have here a piece of ram board. This is one of the first things that we put on the floor. This keeps you from scratching the floor, from dropping something. What we've done here, because we have a very large format tile, is we've put an additional layer on top of this ram board to just give us extra protection in case somebody drops a hammer, drops something. We're not going to break that tile. Additionally, with the 1/4-inch board that we put on top of the ram board, we put tape on each seam. That way we don't get debris underneath. It stops things from getting under there and us walking on top of it and then scratching the floor underneath. Another item that's extremely important is the return air vents. Here you see we've put a filter over these air vents to prevent any dust that we create from going into the unit. We change those frequently. The more demo we're doing, the more we're changing those filters. Behind me, we've got the kitchen. The homeowner hasn't taken occupancy yet, and this was originally built by the developer. So we won't be remodeling this area, so we've built this dust wall from floor to ceiling and taped the edges in to keep any dust from getting inside there at all. As you can see here in the hallway, we have a lot of corners that we could easily bump into. So what we've done is we've put these nice heavy-duty cardboard corners on each section just to help out in case we bump into something. Here we have the washer and dryer, a very nice set in an area that we may have to come in and out of. So we've put 3/4-inch foam board around the entire thing to prevent anybody from damaging these. We spent a lot of time in this condo making sure everything was protected well. We're going to do the same thing in a small bathroom or a residential house remodel. It's so important to the project, and it helps everything just run smoother if we take the time up front to truly protect every project.